Are you looking for the best dash cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dash cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. REDTIGER Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7 NP is a dual dash cam system that records in stunning Ultra HD 4K 3840x2160p on the front camera and Full HD 1080p on the rear camera. It features a wide 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lens to minimize blind spots and capture crucial details like road signs and license plates, providing reliable evidence in case of collisions. The dashcam excels in low light conditions with its large f1.5 aperture, 6-layer optical lens, and HDR, WDR technology for superior night vision. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect the camera to the REDTIGER app on your iOS or Android device for easy video playback, downloading, editing, and sharing. The integrated GPS records real-time speed, location, and driving routes, which you can track on Google Maps through the app or via Windows, Mac GPS Player software for additional accident evidence. The F7 NP supports loop recording to continuously overwrite old footage, and its G-sensor locks critical collision videos automatically. It also offers 24-hour parking monitoring with time-lapse recording to keep an eye on your vehicle while parked, requires separate hardwire kit. The system includes a 32GB memory card, a 21.3-foot rear camera cable, power supply with car charger, suction cup mount with GPS, and electrostatic stickers for installation. REDTIGER backs this dashcam with an 18-month warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Note, the device must be powered through a car cigarette lighter, with an optional USB-C power cable available if needed. Number 2. Pelsee P1 Duo 4K Dash Cam. The Pelsee P1 Duo is a high-quality dual dashcam system featuring a 4K Ultra HD front camera with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens and a 1080p rear camera with a 150 degrees wide view, ensuring clear and detailed footage of your driving environment. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and controlled via the user-friendly Pelsee Cam app, it allows real-time video preview, downloading, editing, and sharing directly from your smartphone. Voice-activated controls enable hands-free operation, improving safety while driving. The dashcam excels in low-light conditions thanks to its advanced night vision technology, including a bright f1.5 aperture lens and glare reduction. It offers 24-hour parking mode with time-lapse recording and a G-sensor that locks footage during collisions to safeguard important evidence. With loop recording on a pre-installed 64GB memory card, expandable up to 256GB, the device ensures continuous recording without interruption. A compact 1.5-inch IPS display provides easy access to settings and status updates, making operation straightforward. The package includes the front and rear cameras, power and rear camera cables, installation tools, and a car charger, making it an excellent choice for drivers seeking reliable, clear, and convenient dashcam coverage. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. The ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam delivers premium dual-channel recording with a 4K Ultra HD front camera, 3840x2160p at 30 frames per second, and a 1080p rear camera, 1920x1080p at 30 frames per second, providing wide-angle views of 150 degrees and 140 degrees respectively to capture comprehensive footage from both front and back. Equipped with the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor and advanced night vision technology, it produces clear, vivid recordings even in low-light conditions, aided by wide apertures, f1.5 front, f1.8 rear. Its built-in 5G dual-band Wi-Fi allows ultra-fast video downloads of up to 20 megabytes per second through the ROVE app, enabling easy viewing, management, sharing, and over-the-air firmware updates on both iOS and Android devices. The integrated GPS logs precise routes, speeds, and locations, displaying live speed and compass on the 3-inch IPS screen, and supports playback with GPS data on PC or Mac. This dashcam includes a free 128GB microSD card, supports up to 1TB storage, and features motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, emergency video lock, voice guidance, and a supercapacitor for enhanced durability. For 24/7 security, it offers a custom-designed parking mode with time-lapse, motion, and collision detection, hardwire kit sold separately, which records and locks important events while parked and alerts you upon next startup. The package comes with comprehensive mounting accessories, cables, and a user guide, making it a robust and user-friendly choice for drivers seeking advanced protection and convenience. Number 4. PRUVEEO for Channel Dash Cam. The PRUVEEO D90-4CH 128GB is a versatile for-channel dash cam system designed to provide complete 360-degree coverage around your vehicle by simultaneously recording full HD 1080p video from 4 lenses capturing the front, rear, left, and right sides, including the vehicle's interior. The front 3 lenses have adjustable angles for customized views, ensuring no blind spots. It features a time-lapse recording mode in parking mode that compresses long footage to save memory and facilitate quick review, requiring an ACC hardwire kit with low-voltage protection to avoid draining the car battery. The built-in GPS logger tracks and records the vehicle's real-time location, speed, time, and routes, which can be viewed visually with the included GPS video player, essential for insurance claims and roadside assistance. With built-in Wi-Fi and a free mobile app compatible with iOS and Android, users can easily set up the dashcam, download videos, and share footage on social media. The cabin camera includes an f1.8 aperture lens and 4 infrared LEDs for superior night vision and clear recordings in low-light conditions. Loop recording automatically deletes the oldest unlocked footage to ensure continuous recording, while a crash sensor locks collision footage to prevent overwriting. Installation is straightforward with a suction mount and helpful user manual, and the device uses a built-in supercapacitor instead of a battery, enhancing durability by avoiding heat-related battery damage. Number 5. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7N is a high-quality dual dash cam system featuring an Ultra HD 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, designed to capture detailed footage including street signs and license plates with wide-angle lenses that reduce blind spots. It includes a built-in GPS module that accurately records the vehicle's location, routes, and speed, which can be accessed through the REDTIGER app and GPS player on your smartphone. The dashcam supports Wi-Fi connectivity for wireless data transfer, easy control, viewing, downloading, and sharing of videos. Equipped with a high-spec Starvis sensor, a large f1.5 aperture, a 6-glass lens, and WDR, HDR technology, it delivers superior night vision and clear images in low-light conditions. The 24-hour non-stop parking monitor uses a built-in G-sensor to detect collisions, automatically recording and locking a 15-second video clip, while also monitoring the environment with time-lapse mode, requires a dedicated hardwire kit. Backed by an 18-month guarantee, REDTIGER offers 24/7 customer support to assist with any product issues.